Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Hong Kong. This is Dal brand shrimp wonton flavor. So I've come to the conclusion this is my favorite new song. It's like the business song. Check it out. Instant Noodles, the choice of business professionals and students alike. Would you like to get in on the ground floor of this wonderful opportunity? It's a turnkey business solution that can help you provide for your family, invest for the future, and make a buttload of cash. Would you like that? Would that make you happy? Hi, my name is Hans the Ramen Raider, and I'm about to take you on a whirlwind tour of the instant noodle industry. Our cruise will start in Cabo San Lucas, and we will wrap around the Cuban archipelago and go down to somewhere in the South Pacific. Then we will go to Canada and all points beyond. This tour will go for the next 5 years. Book your reservations now. The Celebrity Ramen Raider Tour with all known people that have anything to do with instant noodles. It's gonna be great. Wouldn't that be rad? I would love to do a celebrity boat cruise. Wow, that'd be neat. Especially a celebrity instant noodle. You know how that would end though. Everybody get COVID, everybody die. Or the boat would be stuck out in the middle of the water. That's the first thing I freaking think about. So it looks like we're gonna be able to have cruises start up again. And all these people in business are just like super stoked. It's like, really? You want to put that last nail in the coffin of your business? Yeah, start up cruises while COVID still exists. Do it. Just try. See what happens. Shush! Trying to keep a minimum of the yelling in this episode. It's very hard. Time out. Let's see. Mimi, I said shush. Ugh. Number 292, he's still going off about golf. Golf is a struggle with oneself. The words of a person who has endured a struggle contain much philosophy. I'm starting to lose my interest now. The whole golf thing, I'm just not into golf. No. He's like the god of ramen. Why are we not doing? Why are we doing golf? Oh. 5 minutes. The next one is a 5-minute, but it's fancy. Fancy. Yeah. So I already cracked out 10 miles today. I did 20 yesterday. So we're gonna see if I can hit 20 again today. I might have like 12 already. Once I bust through that 20,000 step mark, get into 40s. Oh, once I get past, yeah. I'm hoping to do that every day this week. I'm really tempted. I kind of want to try to make this a 1,000,000 step month. Then I can take June for reflection.
That was the month my mom died in last year. And that was the month I was trying to like raise money to help with my mom's medical expenses and stuff. And it did. People definitely donated, and I really appreciate it. If you're watching, you were one of the people who donated. It helped a lot. My sister's still paying bills that are left over. I don't know. It's weird. Give this stuffing a try. I like these noodles. These are hot though. Good God. As my mother would say, you wouldn't want them cold, would you? It's like, well, in some instances, yeah. Broth. I don't even know what's going on in the living room. I know Mimi wanted to watch the Barbie thing. Nothing like watching the Barbie thing. Are you even watching the Barbie thing? Okay. Here's the I am watching Barbie. Not meaning to offend, my dear. You start getting all up in anti-Barbie, that's where the gloves come off. Alright, let's see if I can do this without it. Whoa! God. Stay away! That pisses me off. It's like these eggs usually do so well. But honestly, if I had a wider knife, it would be like, no sweat. That would make me much happier. Is this cheating? Yes. I actually made these eggs myself. Yep, I am tooting my own horn. Made them this morning. Stop getting all cranky out there. Oh, this one's tail is... What are you complaining about now? I swear. Never catches a break. Although he lost another tooth. Yeah. In the past 3 days, he's lost 2 teeth. Not due to like accidents or anything, but due to, you know, being a kid, baby teeth. You know what I'm talking. And some pepper flake. And some extra sashimi directly on the shrimp. Spicy shrimp. My God. Stop making obnoxious noises! So, yeah, this is good stuff. Pick it up. Get it to Stowe. It's from Hong Kong. You can get it here, though. At least in the States. I don't know where your here is, but if it's North America, you can find it. However, you won't find this in North America. It said, Umakara Tantan Man. Where did I get this? Where? Where did I go to instantramen.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, and pick yourself up a 5 a.m. ramen box. Watch the next episode. Bye-bye. If it wants to turn off. I don't think it wants to turn off.